This expression developed from sailors in the 1900s. It obviously began as a literal expression of arriving too late to travel on a boat. The expression means that you had a good chance or opportunity, but for some reason you didn't take advantage of it. Kate missed the boat not applying for the job in the bank. The true origin of the phrase "get a life" is unknown. However, the phrase came to use only in the late 20th century. The first noted usage of the phrase was in an article in 1983 Washington Post that said, "Gross me out, Valley Girl. It was last year for sure. I mean, get a life." Get off the internet and get a life, boy. A bed of roses idiom has its origin in England. At very first, this idiomatic expression was found in a poem called "The Passionate Shepherd to His Love," written by Christopher Marlowe, published in 1599. Marlowe was referring to real flowers. The phrase has since been used figuratively to refer to any easy and pleasant situation. My life used to be a bed of roses when I was rich. Doornail was one of the heavy-studded nails on the outside door. It is said that the expression came from a poem named "The Vision of William Concerning Piers Plowman" in the 14th century, where it is mentioned as "Faith without works is feebler than nothing, and dead as a doornail." Oh gosh, this guy is as dead as a doornail. The idiom "a fish out of water" alludes to someone exposed to an unknown situation. This expression makes reference to the fact that fish cannot survive on dry land for a long time. The earliest reference found is in Samuel Purchase's pilgrimage in 1613 as "the Arabians out of the desert are as fish out of water." Jim was like a fish out of water at the party last night.